Why do we have day and night? Earth spins on its axis every 24 hours. This movement creates day and night. The sun always shines on one half of Earth. The other half of Earth is in darkness. When your part of Earth faces the sun, it is daytime. You can see the sun in the sky. The sunlight warms the land, oceans, and air. When your part of Earth faces away from the sun, it is nighttime. The sky becomes dark, the sun cannot be seen. Many people sleep during the night. Day and night happens because the Earth rotates. The sun does not move around the Earth each day. Earth moves instead. Every place on Earth experiences day and night. These cycles repeat every 24 hours.